guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my February favorites. Everything that I'm going to show you guys today are like my beauty favorites. Everything's beauty, makeup, skincare kind of thing. So I'm excited to show you guys what I've been loving. And I can't believe February is over. March is in a few days. My birthday is March 7th to be exact. So I'm excited because my birthday is almost here. But I just cannot believe the year is flying by. But today I'm going to show you guys my beauty favorites. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. And before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, follow me on Instagram, and let's get into the video. So the first thing I want to show you guys is my Dove exfoliating body polish. This has been something I've been using for a really long time, but I feel like this month I've really been reaching for it because, guys, let's be honest, exfoliating takes a while sometimes in the shower. So I don't do it all the time, but for some reason in February, I've really been like reaching for this. I've been using this a lot. I'm actually like almost done. I love it. This one's a pomegranate seeds and shea butter. And it smells amazing, and when I tell you, your skin is so smooth after, like so smooth. It's just amazing. After I exfoliate my skin, I just touch my skin and I'm just like, whoa, super soft. So guys, definitely check this out. Super affordable. I got this at Walmart, so you can pick this up Walmart, Shoppers Drug Mart, anywhere. So after I exfoliate, I moisturize my body with this. This is the JELN Love Butter. And when I tell you, this is the most hydrating moisturizer I've ever used on my body, like the best. It is amazing. It's called Love Butter. So it's a butter and it's all natural, handmade, which is a plus. I love all natural, especially on my body. It has shea butter, coconut oil, hemp seed oil, argan oil, marula seed oil. It just has a lot of oils in here. So it keeps your skin so hydrated. And when you order it, it comes with a little stick they send you so that you can dip into the moisturizer because we don't want to cross-contaminate. So I really like that they send you a little stick with it. And they also send a little bag with all of your orders. Like, look at this. It's so cute. And I'm all about packaging. Like, this right here is so cute. I use this for makeup tools. You could use this for like a little travel bag. It's just adorable. So I love that everything's included. And guys, it's just amazing. Let me show you guys. If you just take out a little bit, put some on your skin like this, and it just melts. Like, do you see how fast that melts? It just melts right in, and it just gives you such a nice shine. Like, I am obsessed. So I've been using this every single day, every time I shower, and it's just amazing. Like, amazing. This is my Belif True Cream Moisturizer, and I have been using this so much lately. I'm always switching back and forth between moisturizers, but I just purchased another one of this because I have been going through this. It is amazing. I love it because it gives you so much hydration, up to 26 hours. It's so hydrating, but it's lightweight, and that's what I like. I don't like thick moisturizers. It's really nice, especially under my makeup. I feel like it gives like a really nice base. So I definitely recommend this. It's amazing. I really like this. Let's get into makeup. This is the HOOLA Benefit Bronzer. This has been a classic for years. I feel like everybody has tried this already. It has been around for like decades, I feel, and it is amazing. I have been using this so much lately. I forgot about it, and then recently I picked it up and I was like, wait a second, why did I forget about you? Because this is the perfect shade to contour. I use it to contour my nose every day, and it's just perfect. Like, the shade is perfect. It's not warm. It's the perfect contour shade. It's like cool. It's very neutral. It's just perfect. So I don't use it to bronze my face because I feel like it's not warm enough to bronze. I like myself a nice golden warm bronzer, but this one right here to contour, perfection. This is the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Setting Powder. I just restocked on this because I finished it and I was like, how was I doing my makeup without this? Because this setting powder is the only setting powder I find works for my under eyes. I use other setting powders too, but this one right here I find reduces the creasing. It just is so beautiful under my eyes because it's very finely milled. So I definitely recommend you guys pick this up for setting your concealer. And I don't know if you guys can see, but it is a translucent color. very, very finely milled, and I definitely recommend you guys use this to set concealer, but not to bake, because it will cause flashback. I've tried it before. It causes flashback, so definitely just use a little bit to set your concealer, and I promise you it will give you such a nice flawless finish. So speaking of under eyes, this is the One Size Secure the Blur Hydrating Under Eye Patches. I am a huge fan of under eye masks. I love them. I cannot live without them. And this is my first time trying the One Size beauty ones, and I am here for it. I love it. It's so hydrating, but it's really, really nice to prep before you do your makeup application. So I have just been here for it. It comes with 6 pairs in the box, and the size of it, guys, I was so shocked. I just used one earlier, so I saved it to show you guys. It is so big. You can see it really covers up my entire under eye area. I've never had an eye patch this big before, but I feel like it makes sense because it is called One Size. So I think that they made it a little bit bigger than your average under eye mask to cater to everybody's like face shape, because I find that obviously the regular ones might be a little bit small for some people's face shape, but this right here is so nice. I love how much space it takes over. It just hydrates my entire eye area. So I definitely like this, and I think it's a genius idea to make it this big. So I got sent this contour kit. This is the NISHA B and Glow Cosmetics contour kit, and it comes with 4 shades. It comes with 2 blushes, a contour shade, and a highlighter. And you guys know me, I'm a blush girl. I love blush, so I've been using this for blush so much lately. This one is a coral shade, which is called Brittany, and this one right here is Dollhouse, which is more of like a red blush. And then I have this one. This is Bollywood, which is a nice gold highlight. You guys know me, I love gold highlighter. And then this one's called It's Karma, which is a contour shade. So this is what it looks like. Super pigmented. There's the highlighter, the 2 blushes, and the contour shade. I love that there's 2 blushes because we want options. I love options. You got a light blush, a dark blush. So easy to use, so convenient, especially if you're traveling. You don't want to pack so much. So something like this, I can just take this with me, and I have my blush, my bronzer, my highlighter, and I've even been using it as eyeshadow. Both of these shades are beautiful transition shades. It blends so seamlessly, and this on the lid, beautiful. So you could use it for eyeshadow, you could use it on your face, super easy. So I've been using this a lot lately. My last favorite is my Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Nude. I'm actually wearing it right now. I love this shade. I feel like it's the perfect nude. It's a nice peachy nude color, so I have been using this so much lately. It's just so beautiful. So if you guys are on the hunt for a nude lipstick, definitely check this out. So that is the end of my favorites, and like always, I will have all the products listed down below in the description box. I got you guys always. If you guys are interested, everything will be listed there. Oh my god, I'm just noticing the string has been in my video this whole time. Side note, this is my balloon my mom got me. It says get well. I was actually at the hospital last week. I was in the hospital for a few days. I'm actually gonna make a video to tell you guys what happened to me because, girl, it was rough. I was going through it, but your girl is back and I am better. But the balloon's actually still holding up. I'm shocked. But anyways, that is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you aren't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.